Hello YouTube, Trainboy90 Productions here, and today we will be unboxing the 2022 Wooden Railway Diesel. Right here. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at his box. You can see the box art over here. Move the light. So you can see Diesel's face over here. It says track sold separately. The Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway logo. We're going to look at the back of the box. Barcode, serial number and stuff. And we're going to look at the top of the box. Of course, right here it says Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway. And here's the bottom of the box. So, further ado, we're going to unbox Wooden Railway Diesel. But first we're going to slide him out a little bit. Here's a look at Diesel. See his face? A little bit of it right here. We'll take a look at more of him as soon as we take him out of the box. Alright, so we're going to take Diesel out of the box and take a look at his model. I'm going to use my handy dandy hobby knife here. There are a lot of people that are fucking idiots these days, but I'm not an idiot. We're going to push Diesel over here. I got his slot here. Here's a better look at Diesel. His packaging. Alright. We got the pamphlet over here, Thomas Wooden Railway pamphlet. We're going to take a look at the pamphlet. Here's all the engines you can collect here on this batch. As soon as you get Diesel, Gordon, Percy, Kevin, Hero, Nia, Rosie, Diesel, Rebecca, James, and Thomas. I previously did an unboxing of Gordon over here. Then I did James, Percy, and Thomas before that. Here's the other side. You can see the layout over here. Built for memories that last. But we'll just put away the pamphlet and put that aside. And we're going to finish unboxing Diesel. Devious Diesel. I honestly like the original. I obviously like the Thomas and Friends television series Diesel better than the AEG Diesel in my opinion. We got Diesel out of the box. Of course we're going to put away the... We'll just put the box away. Just put away the box. Just we're going to take a look at Diesel as soon as we put away the box. So I'm going to put away the box and we're going to take a look at Diesel. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at Diesel. We'll just remove this part right here. I'm going to look at Diesel's model. You can see his eyes are looking towards the left. If you guys know what kind of expression he has, put it in the comments below. Greatly appreciate it. Here's a nice look at Diesel. The area around his face is plastic. A lot of wood. Here's the underside of Diesel, if you're all curious. Here's the back of Diesel. The side of Diesel. Seems to be a very good roller, actually, very good runner. There's his buffers. Don't need to see what's behind the magnet. Very close look at Diesel. See that nice facial expression? Very close look at his details. wheels. The underside once again. And basically, I think the model looks pretty good, in my opinion. I do like they brought back the wooden railway name and the good looking models. And of course, I do like how he looks, to be honest. I think he's a little more accurate than his wood model. So we're going to end the video right here. So if you all enjoyed this unboxing video of 2022 Wooden Railway Diesel, I recommend you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to show your support for the channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're gonna end the video here. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all next time, and goodbye.